Did you know that Claude AI can build websites, apps, games, charts, and even interactive tools that you can use instantly, all without writing the code yourself? These are called artifacts, and they're one of Claude AI's most powerful features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your first artifact step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, edit, and improve artifacts like a pro. So let's get started. Open Claude first. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. If you haven't already, sign in to your Claude account. Once you're on the main chat screen, click Start a new chat. Now we're ready to create our first artifact. In the message box, I'm going to type, create a modern calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make it responsive with a clean user interface. Once you've typed the prompt, press Enter. Now Claude starts generating the code. Depending on your prompt, this might take a few seconds. As soon as it's finished, notice something different. Instead of only giving you text, Claude automatically opens an artifact on the right side of the screen. This is where you can preview your project instantly. Without downloading anything, you can already interact with the calculator directly inside Claude. That's what makes artifacts so useful. Now let's improve it. Instead of creating everything again, simply type another prompt. I'll type, change the calculator to light mode. Add rounded buttons, smooth animations, and a modern glassmorphism design. Press Enter. Claude doesn't rebuild the project from scratch. Instead, it updates the existing artifact. After a few seconds, the preview refreshes automatically. Now the calculator has a completely different look, without us editing a single line of code. This is one of the biggest advantages of using artifacts. Create another artifact. Let's build something different. I'll start a new chat. This time I'll type, create a simple to-do list app where users can add tasks, mark them as completed, and delete them. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Press Enter. Again, Claude generates the code and immediately creates another artifact. On the right side, you can see the application is already working. I can add a task, press Enter, mark it as completed, or delete it completely. Everything works directly inside the browser. Modify the app. Now let's make it even better. I'll type add task categories, due dates, dark mode, and save tasks using local storage. Press Enter. Claude analyzes the existing project and updates only what's needed. A few seconds later, the artifact refreshes. Now the app includes additional features without us manually changing the code. This makes improving projects incredibly fast. Create a website. Artifacts aren't limited to apps. You can also build complete websites. For example, I'll type, create a modern portfolio website for a graphic designer with a hero section, services, projects, testimonials, and a contact form. Within a few moments, Claude creates an entire responsive website. You can scroll through the page, click buttons, and preview everything directly inside the artifact window. Best prompts. To get the best results, always be as specific as possible. Instead of saying create a website, try something like create a responsive portfolio website for a photographer using a modern black and gold color scheme. Include animations, a gallery, testimonials, and a contact form. The more details you provide, the better your artifact will be. What else can artifacts create? Artifacts can create much more than websites. For example, you can build calculators, quiz apps, weather apps, expense trackers, dashboards, landing pages, games, interactive charts, timers, resume websites, business tools, all with a single prompt. As you can see, creating an artifact in Claude AI is incredibly simple. Just describe what you want, and Claude builds it for you instantly. You can then continue improving the same artifact by giving additional prompts instead of starting over every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of artifact you'd like to build next.